Hello students, welcome to 11th Commerce Accountancy. I am Sandeep Gohel and we are watching the chapter Introduction to Accounting. And we are on the next part of this chapter, and that is accounting terms. Okay, in this accounting terms, in the previous video I have explained you the four terms. Okay, number one transaction, number two accounting, number three capital, and number four drawing. Okay, so these four terms we have explained, I have explained you. Okay, now in this video we will see the next terms. Okay, so we'll start with the number 5, and that is liabilities. Okay, now what is liability? The question is that liability is nothing, the amount which is payable to someone, that is called liability. किसी को हमें चुकाना है तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Yes, it is our liability. Okay, suppose we have purchased some goods on a credit basis from some party, then it is called our liability because we have to pay to that person after some time. So in that case, that is liability. Same way, if we have taken a loan from the bank, so it is also our liability because we have to return that loan amount to the bank in within given period of time. Okay, so in that case, that is our liability. Okay, so now we'll see about the liability. Now there are two types of liability: current and non-current. Okay, first of all we'll see about the non-current liability. Non-current liability is what? Which is for more than 1 year, which is payable for more than 1 year. That is called non-current liability. Okay, in this case we can say yes, bank loan is non-current because whenever we take a loan from the bank, they give us time for more than 1 year to pay it. Okay, so suppose we have taken a loan from the SBI, and SBI given time for 5 years to pay it. So they have given 5 years, so it is more than 1 year. In that case, that loan is non-current liability because we have 5 years to pay. Okay, and the next is current liability. Current liability means the amount payable within 12 months. That is called current liability. The amount payable within 12 months. Okay, suppose we have purchased goods on a credit basis from any person. Okay, and they have told us that within 6 months you have to pay the money to me. Okay, so within 6 months we have to pay. In that case, it is current liability because it is less than 1 year time. Okay, within 6 months we have to pay, so it is less than 1 year time. In that case, it is current liability. Okay, so these are the two types of liability: current liability, non-current liability and current liability. We will see the next now. Number 6, assets. Now what is assets? It is property owned by an owner. Okay, जो प्रॉपर्टी होती है बिजनेस की, which is owned by the owner, then in that case it is called asset of the business. Okay, हमारी खुद की मालिकी है भाई, हमारा बिजनेस है, हमारी खुद की मालिकी है जिसपे, that is our asset. Okay, for example, we have furniture in our business. Yes, then furniture is our asset. Okay, suppose we have computer in our business, then computer is our asset. Okay, so all this thing which is owned by the owner, that is called asset of the business. Now in asset there are also two types that we will see: non-current assets. Okay, first of all we'll see the non-current asset. Non-current means, yes, the same meaning, for more than 12 months or for more than 1 year, if it is beneficial to the business. Okay, then it is called non-current. Now in this non-current there are also two types that we will see. The types are tangible and intangible. Tangible means what? Which is physical in form, जिसको हम देख सकते हैं, जिसको हम टच कर सकते हैं, that is called physical form. So that kind of asset is called tangible asset. Okay, and non-tangible is what? Which is not in physical form. Okay, which is not in physical form, that is called intangible. Okay, चलो भाई, हमको क्वेश्चन हो रहा है कि भाई ये कौन सी बला है, ये जिसको टच नहीं कर सकते, जिसको हम देख नहीं सकते, फिर भी वो एसेट है. आई गिव एन एग्जांपल, दैट इज गुडविल. नाउ दिस वर्ड इज न्यू फॉर यू, गुडविल. ओके, गुडविल का मतलब क्या होता है? आई गिव एन एग्जांपल, शॉर्ट एग्जांपल आई विल गिव यू. सपोज यू हैव अ बिजनेस, running business, good business, reputed business, you have so many customers in market. Okay, now suppose you have got a chance to go abroad in America. Okay, if you want to settle then, so what you have to do? You have to sell your business which is already running in India. Okay, and it is a very reputed. Okay, you have so many customers. Suppose you have 200 customers. Okay, so in that case you have to sell it because you want to settle in America now. So how much price you will decide? Okay, first of all you should know about the investment that you have done in the business. Yes, suppose you have done 4 lakh rupees investment in your business. Okay, now the question is that how much price you will receive in return of selling your business. Would it be less than 4 lakh? Because you have 4 lakh, you have invested 4 lakh and 2 years already passed. So the assets you have used already, furniture you have used, the computer you have used. Okay, so that is used assets. Okay, so will you receive for more than 4 lakh or less than 4 lakh? Of course you will receive more than 4 lakh. Some students say, sir, why? It is already used, so there would be some deducted value of the assets. Then why it is possible that you are receiving more amount? It is possible to get more amount because your business is reputed business. You have so many customers, and that's why whoever purchase your business, he has no any kind of need to do any hard work for the customer. He has already a running business receiving. Okay, so there is no question about the hard work to get the many more customer. Okay, it is very fine business. He is receiving the best business. Okay, so no need for do any hard work. Okay, so in that case you are receiving more amount than the investment. Suppose you are receiving 10 lakh amount. Okay, so how much more you are getting? You are getting 6 lakh rupees. Okay, why you are getting 6 lakh more? Because of your reputation in market, and that reputation in market is called goodwill. Okay, so goodwill is an asset for you which is not in physical form. वो आपको दिखती नहीं है, आपकी रेपुटेशन आपको दिखती नहीं है, लेकिन जब आप आपके बिजनेस को सेल करते हो ना मार्केट में, तब आपको पता चलता है कि हाउ मच द रेपुटेशन वी हैव. Okay, what is the value of our reputation we have? And that is called intangible asset, which is not in a physical form. Okay, so this is an example for intangible. This is an example for this is tangible, which is physical in form, like furniture. Okay, we can touch it, we can feel it, we can sit on that. Okay, we can use it. So in that case furniture is tangible. Okay, and it is non-current also. Non-current, why? Because we can use the furniture for more than 1 year. Not in 1 year it would be destroyed. Okay, for more than 1 year we can use it. Okay, so in that case it is non-current asset. Okay, it can be called also fixed assets. Okay, one more example, plants is also there as a fixed assets. Car if you have, then it is also fixed asset. Computer also, machinery. Okay, They are the example of non-current asset, and they are the tangible assets because they all are in physical form, and this one is in non-physical, means it is intangible. Okay, and one more type of the asset is current. Current asset is what? Within 12 months, if it is beneficial to you, then it is called current asset. Okay, for example, one debtor, if say Rahul, to Rahul you have sold the goods for rupees 5,000 and you have given the time for 3 months. Okay, so till 3 months that Rahul person who to whom you have sold on a credit basis. Okay, so till that time period, the Rahul is your asset. Okay, that is called debtor, and that is your current asset because within 3 months you will receive the amount. Okay, so this is called current asset, in which the duration is less than 1 year. Okay, so this is all about the assets and all about the liabilities that we have seen. In the next video we will see about the next. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.